Have your legs been feeling slower lately? A little heavier? Maybe you're getting tired just walking across the room and wondering, is this just aging? Here's the surprising truth. It's not just your age. It's a signal problem. New research shows that many seniors who feel weaker aren't actually losing muscle. Their brain and muscles just aren't communicating like they used to. The connection is still there. It's just asleep. And believe it or not, you can wake it back up with breakfast. In a 2023 study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people over 50 who ate a specific protein-rich evening meal saw measurable improvements in leg strength and energy by the next morning. Why? Because the right foods don't just feed your muscles. They flip the switch that tells your body, it's time to move again. This isn't magic. It's leucine, a powerful amino acid your body needs to build and repair muscle. But it does more than that. Leucine acts like an ignition key for your entire movement system. Without it, your legs don't hear your brain's commands clearly. You can activate that switch with foods like whole eggs, chicken or turkey, beef, whey protein, a fast-acting secret weapon used by athletes and seniors. Just one meal with 25 to 30 grams of protein gives you enough leucine to send a clear, repair and rebuild message to your muscles, especially when you eat it first thing in the morning, when your body is most responsive. Try this simple breakfast. A smoothie with a scoop of whey protein, 2 eggs with a side of cottage cheese, Greek yogurt topped with seeds and berries. When your muscles feel weak, the real issue might not be strength, it's communication. Your body still has the potential, but the signal has to get through. And that starts with one smart meal. Imagine standing up tomorrow with more confidence in your legs. No pills, no workouts, just the right food at the right time. Every time you move, take a step, rise from a chair, or stretch your legs, your brain sends a signal down your spine to your nerves, which tell your muscles what to do. But here's the catch. As we age, those signals don't travel as fast or as clearly. The result? Your legs can move. They just don't always get the memo. Research shows that the real problem isn't always muscle loss. It's miscommunication. The motor neurons that tell your legs to move can lose their sharpness starting as early as your 40s. This means your legs might have the strength, they just aren't getting the go-ahead from your brain. But there's a way to recharge that signal, and it starts with a very specific nutrient. Choline. Choline is the key ingredient your body uses to make acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter that literally tells your muscles to move. Think of it as the voice between your brain and your legs. Why eggs are more than just breakfast? Egg yolks are one of the richest sources of choline in the world. 2 whole eggs give you over 300 milligrams of choline, enough to wake up those sleeping motor neurons and reignite muscle control. Want better results? Combine your eggs with a leucine-rich protein like whey protein, cottage cheese, Greek yogurt. The magic time to do this? Within 30 minutes of waking up, when your body is most sensitive to these signals. This is when you give your nervous system the raw material it needs to flip the switch and fire up your legs for the day. In studies, increased choline intake restored motor control in as little as 6 to 12 hours, especially in older adults. That means you could feel more steady, sharp, and coordinated by lunchtime, all from a better breakfast. And if you're plant-based or don't eat eggs, no problem. Try Brussels sprouts, quinoa soybeans. They're not as potent as egg yolks, but they still help, especially when combined with healthy fats to boost absorption. Feel the difference in your steps. You may not feel the change instantly, but within days of fueling your nerves and muscles properly, you'll notice more confidence when walking, less wobbling on stairs, a stronger, more stable stride. This isn't about adding more to your plate, it's about adding what matters. Imagine trying to water your garden with a hose that's kinked. It doesn't matter how rich the soil is or how much sunshine you get. Without that steady stream of water, the plants simply can't thrive. That's exactly what happens to your muscles, especially in your legs, as you age. Even if you eat well and stay active, if blood flow is restricted, your muscles won't get the oxygen and nutrients they need. They start to feel heavy, tired, slow to respond. This isn't just about energy, it's about circulation. And there's one food that helps like no other. Meet your natural blood flow booster, beets. Beets Beets, especially raw or in juice form, are rich in natural nitrates. Once inside your body, those nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, increasing circulation to the areas that need it most, like your legs. And the science? It's impressive. In a 2015 study, older adults who drank beetroot juice saw a real, measurable boost in leg power within hours. The biggest improvements showed up in the muscles that help you move quickly, the ones that help prevent falls and keep your balance. This isn't a long-term maybe. It's a same-day difference. Easy way to use beets for better movement. Try this simple protocol. 90 minutes before a walk or light activity, drink 8 to 10 ounces of beet juice or eat 1 to 2 medium beets. Combine it with 20 minutes of gentle movement, like walking, cycling, or stretching. Why the timing matters. Your body needs a little time to turn the nitrates into nitric oxide, and movement enhances the effect, helping your blood vessels open up even more. Worried about sugar? Pair beets with fiber-rich greens or a protein-rich food like Greek yogurt. This slows sugar absorption and keeps your energy steady. The brain-boosting bonus. Did you know beets also support blood flow to the brain? That's why they're being studied as a natural aid for memory, focus, and even vascular dementia. So you're not just helping your legs, you're helping your mind too. Beets aren't the only blood flow-friendly food, but they're among the most powerful. Their impact is fast, natural, and backed by research. And you don't need to juice them every day. Even adding them 3 to 4 times a week can make a meaningful difference. You've probably heard the word inflammation tossed around before. But what if I told you it could be the silent reason your legs feel heavy, tired, or weaker, even when you're eating well and staying active? Not all inflammation is bad. If you twist your ankle or catch a cold, your body triggers acute inflammation to heal the damage. But when inflammation becomes chronic, lingering quietly in your system day after day, it starts doing harm instead of good. How inflammation weakens your legs? Research shows even low levels of chronic inflammation interfere with muscle repair, slow down neurological signaling, reduce blood flow and nutrient delivery, damage mitochondria, your muscle's energy factories. Even if the muscle is there, the signal to use it gets fuzzy. That's why you might feel like your legs are working against you. But there's a powerful, natural way to turn down that inflammatory noise. Enter dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, mustard greens, and chard aren't just healthy. They're anti-inflammatory weapons your body can use every single day. These greens contain polyphenols like quercetin, especially in kale and mustard greens, chlorophyll, which helps neutralize toxins, magnesium, a natural inflammation modulator, nitrates, which support better circulation and recovery. In one study published in Frontiers in Pharmacology, participants who ate just 1 cup of dark leafy greens per day lowered inflammation markers within 2 to 4 weeks, especially when paired with light exercise. Timing matters. Why breakfast is key. Including greens in your first meal of the day helps align your body's natural circadian rhythm, your internal clock that governs immune response, hormones, and energy regulation. Try pairing your greens with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil to boost absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like K and A. A splash of lemon or vinegar to improve digestion and nutrient uptake. This isn't a trendy detox. It's daily cellular support that helps your legs feel stronger, lighter, and more responsive over time. Let's wrap it up with a routine you can try starting tomorrow, based on everything we've discussed. Start your day with a smoothie that includes beetroot powder or juice, a scoop of whey or plant-based protein, and a handful of greens. Take a 15-minute walk shortly after to activate nitric oxide and signal your muscles to engage. Within an hour, eat a protein-rich breakfast, like 2 to 3 eggs with sautéed spinach or Greek yogurt with hemp seeds and berries. Add a small source of healthy fat like olive oil or avocado to support inflammation control and brain health. These aren't just nutrition tips. This is science-backed, accessible muscle therapy for seniors, done with food, movement, and timing. No expensive supplements, no gym required. Your legs don't just carry you. They tell your story about how strong, mobile, and independent you are. When you support them the right way, they'll support you back. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about taking smart, simple steps that move you forward, stronger, steadier, and more confident every day. If you found this series helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with the word strong, so others know they're not alone and that real change is possible. Thank you for joining me. Now let's keep moving forward, one powerful step at a time.